Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable unwanted push notifications in Google Chrome. In order to stop these annoying notifications, you have to open Google Chrome and on top right click on these three dots, click on settings. Now scroll down and click on advanced. In advanced you have to click on site settings. In site settings click on notifications. Now these are the notifications that you have allowed. These two notifications are allowed and these are by default Google notifications that you can't disable. So these are the two notifications. So in order to disable these notifications, we have to click on these three dots and click block. Now this notification has gone into the block section. Now click on this and click block. Now in this scenario, these notifications are now in block list. If you want to permanently remove this notification, click remove. So that's how you can block or permanently stop these annoying notifications in your Google Chrome. In the end, if this video is somewhat helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.